Cricket insects belong to the order Orthoptera, which also includes grasshoppers and katydids. There are over 900 species of crickets found all over the world. Crickets are known for their chirping sound, which is produced by the males to attract mates. The chirping sound is created by rubbing their front wings together. The chirping sound is unique to each species of cricket and is used to identify them. The frequency of the chirping sound changes with temperature, with faster chirping at higher temperatures. Crickets feed on plant material, including leaves and stems, as well as small insects. They are a food source for many animals, including birds, reptiles, and small mammals. Some species of crickets are considered pests as they can damage crops. Some species of crickets can jump up to 50 times their own body length in a single leap. Crickets have long antennae which they use to detect their surroundings and locate mates. They have large hind legs adapted for jumping and escaping from predators. Female crickets lay their eggs in the soil or on vegetation, and the eggs hatch into nymphs. The nymphs look like smaller versions of the adults and go through several molts before reaching adulthood. Some species of crickets are known to produce a defensive secretion when threatened. Some species of crickets are known to exhibit social behavior, such as communal feeding and caring for their young. Crickets are important indicators of environmental health and are used to monitor the effects of pollution and climate change. In some cultures, crickets are considered good luck and are kept as pets. Cricket fighting is a popular sport in some countries, where the insects are trained and matched against each other in arenas. The chirping of crickets has been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, such as insomnia and headaches.